Hey everyone, I'll try to make it short and sweet. First, apologize for videos not going out lately. When we started Mobile Blasting, we had just been hammered. We have like 3 or 4 videos. I just haven't edited them yet, so I do apologize for that. This video is about doing a bolt hull. I apologize again for powder coating. We know our angles and stuff. This outside with just our cell phones and the wind and all that, and 2 of us working, and we have no person doing cameras. It is kind of hard to get our, shots, must say. So basically, with Mobile Blasting, we're trying to get the before, some of the work, and then the after. That way we at least have some footage. Eventually we hope to have more GoPros and things like that to where we can get better footages for that. So do apologize for that. Want to also bring up some of our old video content has been copyrighted for the music. Of course, you guys know I like the 80s, 90s rock. The only issue we run into is some of the voiceovers where we have the music in the background very low in our voice. When we replaced the music and brought it over from YouTube, which you'll be able to tell the YouTube music from what we used, the volume was completely loud. There was no way to adjust the volume. So I'll try to put a video up here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Where I'm talking and the music's just louder than I am. So I do apologize that has happened. It's been brought to my attention on a few videos. Some people have thrown a fit about keep your music down. A douchebag, your fucking music is loud. No fucking shit. Like, it wasn't when we started. So people like, fuck off. Anyways, so we have this video. We have a couple other videos. We'll try to put this one out as soon as we get it edited here. The next ones we'll try to stagger Wednesdays. Also, we have with powder coating, we've cut back on it. It's winter months here, so we have no heat. Mobile Blasting's up for the winter. We've already started getting our spring filled up. We have quite a few powder coating jobs, quite a few Mobile Blasting jobs. We have log cabins coming. We have, of course, frames, normal things like that, trailers. We also have a bridge. Somebody contacted us about a bridge. So anyways, we'll take care of that. The next video should be our powder coating video for a bike frame. In that video, we do have a rant in there. Quite long, just about where we're going with our business, and also about Greener Blast Technologies GB350 mobile blast system. So if you'd like to hear any of that, feel free. I did put a time marker in there in case you start to get into it and they're like, I don't want to listen to this shit for fucking ever. Then you can skip ahead to that time and watch the rest of the video. So okay, guys, again, I do apologize for taking so long on editing videos. We just are swamped here. So I'll put these videos out and I will pick it back up in the spring when we start working again. straight on. It goes a lot faster straight. That, down the other side. Okay, so one of the things we run into with boats often, if you're new to doing boats, if you're usually do boats, then you already know this. So once you're able to get flat surfaces and keeping a primer coat like this, you really don't want to go down to the gel coat or anything. But if you notice here, everything is smooth. It's just, so when you're blasting, you can blast it smooth. When you get into this ridge here, they tape it off, and if you look, there is a buildup right here. So this is thin, this is built up. As you're blasting this right here goes down to here. Of course, you gotta circle this big of blasting, right? So as you're blasting this goes down to primer coat. And before this is done, the rest of it goes down. That's why you see right below that line, that's the line with the big lip, and underneath it, that gets blasted first before this lip goes away, is white. And you can kind of see that all the way here. That's where the lip is, that's the underblast. That's where the thick lip is that you're trying to get done. By the time you get done it, you blast it through the primer coat. See here. Everywhere it's the same. Thick lip, blasted through. Thick lip, blasted through. Thick lip, blasted through. So just be aware that we're down to 60 PSI, so we're low. There's nothing we can do about it. But just be aware that when you're blasting, to let the customer know, like, if they don't want you to go down to gel coat, let them know. If you feel this lip here, let them know you are going to go down to gel coat. There's really no way around that. So just a quick tip. Hopefully it helps some of you guys.